Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode on Spending Jar. If you're new, my name is Charlie. Today's gonna be a garage update. It's been a few months since my last video. Today I want to work on the garage floors. There's a lot of epoxy that's starting to crack and peel off. I believe this is probably about 13 years old. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna install the free flow track that I got off Amazon. Alright guys, I went ahead and opened the boxes. You've seen the silver ones here. They look pretty sturdy. I can't compare it to any of the other companies like Racetec or Swiss Track. I got these off of Amazon. Again, I'll leave a link below for you guys to check it out. It wasn't too much. My garage is 19 by 19, so that came out to be about 361 square feet. I ordered about 400 square feet because I couldn't order individually. These came in packs of 50 or 25. And here's a blue, gray, that's gray as well. And then I got the black right here. So there you go, that's gonna be our theme. Kind of like my wall as well. Got the charcoal blue and the light gray with the white striping. So we'll see how these goes. Stay tuned. Alright, so I got the first two rolls in. Once you get the first row, it's easy to line up. And then after that, starting from this corner here, you definitely need either a rubber mallet or, for me, I couldn't find mine, so I'm using a hammer. But, see, as you can tell, it lines up perfectly. No issues. Good material, it seems like. Again, brand new, so I don't know how long the longevity is gonna be, but you know, I've been walking on it a little bit, but everything looks pretty good. Alright, I love how it's turned out so far. Again, halfway done. And the color, everything looks great. There's nothing off. The grays look gray, blue looks blue, black looks black. Love the checker pattern that's just showing in the light right now in the garage. It is a bit cloudy, so I don't know how well it's getting picked up. But as you can tell, everything is locked in place. Everything is great. No issues so far. Halfway done. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so original plan, again, my garage all the way from where the shoe rack is back here is 19 by 19. But obviously you could tell I didn't go ahead and put all the tiles there. Only because the refrigerator's there and of course the shoe rack. So I'm thinking that's about 2 feet or 2 squares, or 2 tiles that are going to be missing. So I might actually go 17 this way and then 19 across. That means I'm gonna have a lot of tiles left over. Still trying to debate if I wanna go and still cover that up or not. 50-50 as I work my way down, and if it just doesn't look right to me once everything is placed, I'll go ahead and move everything up. I'm just gonna have some help come and just push the tiles up, see how that goes. Alright guys, it's the next day. I didn't want to go and reveal it last night because it's going to be too dark. You won't be probably able to see anything. So I finished it
took about 5 hours. Let's go ahead and reveal my new floors. Alright, so if you guys are interested in these tiles, I got these off of Amazon. I'll leave the link below in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Again, it's very simple. It's just time consuming. If you have a rubber mallet or a hammer at least, easy to snap on. Just make sure you get all the first lines straight. That way everything else turns out perfectly. Easy to move. It's not too heavy. I was able to push some of the tiles up and down. As you can see, I did went ahead and move the tiles up that way towards the shoe rack, and of course covering where the refrigerator is. So I ended up going by 19 by 18 instead of 19 by 19. I could have gone one more tile right over here. Then again, I had some issues with moving the refrigerator back and forth. By myself, it was a little bit too heavy. My wife did end up helping me just a little bit. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. The next project is going to be lighting. You can see I have no lighting on top of my garage except that one light right there. That way, everything will look better. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.